Jackson loves his electric car. It's stylish, smooth, and saves him tons of fuel money. But one morning, things don't go as planned. He's late for work, jumps into his car, and beep beep, low battery. Please charge now. Jackson panics. What? But I have no charger nearby. I'm doomed. Jackson rushes to find a charging station, but one is too far. One is already full. One has a crazy expensive fee. Jackson, frustrated, why isn't EV charging easier? Realizing he's stuck, Jackson sighs. Okay. I have no choice. We'll wait at this coffee shop. I'll call my big brother. He'll help me. I guess. He takes out his phone and calls. Jackson.
Bro, I messed up. My EV's dead. No charger in sight.
Big brother.
Dude, why didn't you just go to a place with a Cambridge EV charger?
Jackson's eyes widen. Wait. What's that? Right outside the coffee shop, he sees a building with a brand new Cambridge EV charger installed. Fast charging, affordable rates, easily available, right where he needs it. Jackson, excited, oh my god, it's right here. Why didn't I see this before? He plugs in, grabs another coffee, and in no time, his EV is fully charged. Jackson smiles.
I'm saved. Thank you, Cambridge EV Charger. Want faster, easier, and more accessible EV charging? Install a Cambridge EV Charger at your business or property and start earning. Call us now, 905-270-2177. Visit www.commutecharger.ca.
Jackson drives off, laughing.
Next time, I'll look around before panicking.